Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Makeeasy. I'm Abhinna Parajuli and I'm going to start website design course in this YouTube channel. So if you are new, then just hit the like and subscribe button and stick with this playlist to learn full front-end development in the easiest way. So let's get started. So in this video, we are going to learn about HTML and CSS. So we are going to cover what is HTML headings, HTML paragraph, HTML comments, text formatting, HTML styles, HTML links, HTML lists, HTML forms, HTML images, and after learning these all HTML, we will go through CSS. And after learning these all HTML and CSS, we will make one simple modern website, and you will know the knowledge of HTML and CSS. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the language used to create web pages, and it is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. So, what basically is HTML? As shown in the presentation, it is a markup language, but remember that HTML is not a programming language. If you've thought that HTML is a programming language, you're totally wrong. It's a markup language which is used to display content in a particular website. And if you thought that HTML is hard, then no, it's easy. So in next video, we will learn how to run HTML code. So stick to this playlist by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell to learn full front-end web development. Thank you.